Hi guys, today I'm going to do a video on how to reset the Xiaomi Airdots. So a lot of times you will see these Airdots, they are not connecting to each other. So the first thing that you should do is to remove the Airdots from your phone. Then the next is to take this out. Hold the Airdots to turn it off. And then next, hold it for 20 seconds. You notice that it will blink a red, white, alternate blink. Keep holding, and this is the second time, and then put it back to the Airdots case. Alright, pull them out. There you go. This is how you pair the Airdots to the stereo phone. Okay,